you have no for power with. When you stop, you have no for walk with. When you're back against the wall and you're stranded, who not dead for you, no can go on live.
Why?
I'm always happy to see you.
No, you're not.
Why would you ask a silly question like that?
You put them broad like, huh?
You never know something for them right the way you
Ow! No, stop abusing me, man. Alright guys, I just got like some kind of shot just to make sure that it has ginger, cayenne, what's the green stuff? Lime, and like civil oranges. What's the green stuff, man? Anyway, I just got the shot to make sure I didn't pick anything up on my flight. Babe, ah! It burns. It's harsh, you guys. It's harsh. Guys, look at the porridge. So this is an alkaline porridge. So it's got strawberries, blueberries, that's mango, banana, dates, 100% alkaline, organic stuff, no salt, no sugar, no wheat. Yeah. I love hitting this spot up when I come.
People, if you have none of this, if you never have it before, go have it now, because these are the best things since sliced bread.
I don't want to see face. Alright guys, I'm gonna go have my porridge now. That is as far as I was able to get. This thing is very filling, it's very heavy. Guys, pencil isn't here, but I'm gonna take a nap. I've already turned the bed on. Sit on 3. Ooh, it's nice and warm. Yes, God, hunty. How great, amazing is this quote? Collect moments, not things. I'm all about it.
Beating up yourself by your strong girl. Looking fabulous, lady. Someone else you. Them song about the girl that feel honey. Ladies, come on.
Pencil me the thing. No girl now what's good pencil.
Out and stunted.
Out and stunted. Bounty on time. Road runner. You don't like it, sleep and don't wake up. You understand? We do know things our way. Okay?
Yeah.
Bam.
Yeah, you guys, just love Soul Sunday.
Watch your sister show the body. See her the guys. See her the guys. See her the... Yes. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. See, take it to the kid and be when going in a cabin. Very cold.
We're going.
It's cool, mommy. What? It's cool like styrofoam. You can't do it. Yeah. Guys, you see me in this massive ass jacket. It belongs to mommy. I came here like an idiot and didn't bring a jacket, didn't bring a sweater, didn't bring anything except for like my clothes. And you see what I'm wearing. I needed a coat. Oh God. Come on, baby. Come on. Huh? Yes, sir? Sharon. Pencil's running, you guys. She wanted to be cool tonight and didn't wear a coat, so she's freezing. Hi, Shine.
It's my flying finger.
Is it? Guys, I'm actually leaving and Cheyenne just came to see me on my last day. Whatever. I'll be back in a few weeks, you guys, so no biggie. Give them everything in the clip pencil.
Hey, Trick. That's a great work.
She love it, is the man.
That's like our work right now.
Yeah. Pencil like a hunting. Not true
Pencil
pencil.
like hunted like a bounty hunter.
We gotta go. Hey guys. So I have just landed in Atlanta. And this airport is big as hell. Probably my second time going through this airport. But you literally have to take a train from the gate where you deplane. And now take a train from there to baggage claim and to ground transportation. Which, yeah, it's a pretty decent ride. It's a big ass airport. Anyway, I don't know if I told you guys why I'm here, but it's my best friend's 40th birthday. So I flew into town to celebrate with her. I just called her. She said that her cousins are here as well. So I guess I'll see we're there.
You know that song that you
Guys, I am in Atlanta. Best friend in the building.
Yes, that was me.
Guys, she's been playing Uber driver all damn day.
I really have.
Turns out she did.
That's love.
This is what trip to you to the airport? What number?
3
This is the number. Her third trip for the day to the airport.
on my birthday.
I didn't even think about the fact that she was gonna be running back and forth with everybody because you got so
It
many
was
people
fun.
in New York.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
God.
So many people flew in
Yes.
for my birthday.
Okay. It's about to be the turn up. Okay.
The
turn up.
All the way up.
You know they have to shut everything down. Lock everything off. I drive like a grandma compared to you. Girl, bye.
This one will be like, joo, 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 joo. And I'll be like, whoa.
Guys, literally just got up. Tell me why these girls put Patron in my coffee cup. This is Patron in my coffee cup at what, 8:30 in the morning? Yeah. That one right there. Okay. A fancy coffee machine. Oh, it's a Starbucks machine? Nice. It's that good stuff. These residents got it good.
That's excellent.
Yeah. Should I be here every morning before I go to work? Every morning.
I'm sure they come down.
All right, guys. So we're preparing for the party. Sheikah is taking down the goodies.
Excuse me. My legs, y'all. I know I'm ashy.
We're bumming it right now. I'm wearing Sheikah's sun shoes, you guys. Look at this. Look how big this thing is. Because like an idiot, I only brought heels. I don't know where I thought I was going. So we're just setting up downstairs for the birthday party.
Yes. Hi, girl. How are you? Good. How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you again. Chica. I love this. You guys are so fancy.
I was up till 3 o'clock making those this morning.
You made these?
Yes.
Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Chic is 40.
Everybody who came out of town must get a glass.
Oh my God.
So I'm gonna put the little drink thing over there
For anybody to take it.
for the little drink.
Everybody.
Detail. You made the flowers?
That's beautiful. Yes. I made 2 of them. Then my other friend made some other ones. Yeah. She makes them pretty.
How you make the flowers?
You just cut them out with your Cricut. She does hers by hand. But I cut mine out with my machine. She does hers by hand. I
What
don't
the
do
hell?
mine. Isn't that pretty?
Oh my God.
Not a mercy.
Oh my gosh, you know. So creative, so fancy. I love it. Guys, look at the details. Like, this is so nice. Look at this table. So we've got the beautiful pink champagne, whatever color runner. We've got those gorgeous handmade flowers, okay? And balloons. This is what the rest of the room is looking like. This green table stays illuminated, so we couldn't turn it off. So this is the best that we can do. And when I say we, I mean Samantha, because Samantha is like murdering this shit. So it says Hello 40. And then in here, we are still decorating. Everyone's at work back there. Look at this little balloon thingy we made. Yes, gorgeous. These are not gonna be here. We're gonna find stuff to do. Oh my God, look at the candy table. They've been busy. So yeah, this is what the candy table's looking like. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The cake is gonna be here. And I guess there's more things that are gonna be on the stand right here. We've got popcorn. Oh my God, Chica, it's so pretty. Oh my
My
God.
sister just got in. She's making the chocolate covered strawberries.
Oh, nice. All right, guys, so we are at the birthday celebration. Here we go. Folks are slowly arriving. I've got the best friend. Best friend, turn around. Yeah. Best friend's looking fine, baby. That one there thinks she's cute and big. I can't. Bye. Go, Auntie! Come in here. Come in here. There's no parking on the outside. Ah! Go ahead, make a right.
First right. Take the first right. Walk over there. We're gonna go in.
Okay.
I got the key.
It's my Auntie Dale.
Hi
Hello.
That's me.
Hi, Gary.
That's Auntie Dale. That's me. It's Gary. There's Gary there.
Gary. You like it? Thank you. Thank you. You look lovely as well. So me and my auntie link up in Atlanta. Yeah. What am I say? What am I say? Can't say nothing. Nothing can't say. Oh my God. Oh dear. Yeah. Thank you.
As always.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's all I got to say. And I didn't mind doing it because I love her dearly.
Oh.
Over 20 years. So, y'all ready?
Yes.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy
I appreciate everybody who came from out of town. I appreciate all the love. I love everybody in this room. Words cannot express how much I love every and each and one of you. I love you. Love you.
Love you.
Let's eat some cake.
Hace más. ¡Woo!
Full and open.
Pull it, pull it. Oh, never would have made it.
Me and my auntie, the party has concluded. Did you have a good time, Auntie? Oh yeah, I did. I'm so happy my auntie came out to see me. I'd be so upset if I came all the way to Atlanta and didn't see my auntie. Like, hello. No. Always. Had to make it happen. Family love. Okay, family. And we say family.
best friend at?
Okay, best friend.
Did you have a good time?
I did, babe. I'm not best friend, but I'm best friend cousin.
We all family out here. We all family out here.
Right.
Betsy had a good time.
I did.
I had a good time.
I did.
It was worth every minute of it. Yeah. Yeah, I love them strippers. Yeah, I love them strippers. Yeah, I love them strippers. Yeah.
Talk them from day one, they got me your back. Them man, they no sell out, them thief and go shop.